Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best crypto Bitcoin mining apps right now on the market. Now, I have nothing to sell you, there are not going to be any affiliate links, alright? So the first one that you can actually check out for yourself is a CryptoTab browser. So it's on both computer and phone and also uses your device computing power to mine. So this is something to be aware of. Also, earnings are very small and require patience. So how you need to think is that this is going to take time. So this is something that you're going to go somewhere and you're going to let it on, right? Also, it does work, and this is something that you can actually check out for yourself and download. So highly recommend to check this one, and primarily when Bitcoin is falling down right now, so it's way more worth it. So this is the first one for you to check out. Now the peer to profit, so this is like another one for you to check out. So how it works that it earns crypto by sharing your unused internet bandwidth, and it pays in Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies. And you can have like plenty of crypto reward options and can be installed on Android and other devices, and the payment actually works from it. Now another one is Coin Always Be Earning. So this is something that what you can try to do for yourself, earn by walking or driving. And this is, for example, one of these that also are great. So if you move around a lot and you're walking a lot, this is something that you can actually check out for yourself. Now, then another one is also called Cointiply. So get paid to site specialized in crypto rewards. So you can have Bitcoin there, click a button to earn a free Bitcoin periodically. So this is great. And the Bitcoin withdrawal threshold is around $5, and it pays also in few other cryptos. And if you want to get to, it's play video, service, games, offers, this is the way that you can try. Now, another one is Freecash. This is very popular one. I don't know if it's going to be available in your country, but popular get paid to platform with many earning methods, has a bonus ladder for automatic easy rewards. Joining through an invitation link gives a bonus case. A Bitcoin payout threshold is low as $0.25, and it's available in most countries. So this is another one for you to check out. Also the Pounds app, this is also a great one. Now with the Pounds app, you can earn passively by sharing unused internet bandwidth, really similar. It works also on a phone and computer, has active earning methods, also 5 minimum to withdraw Bitcoin, and it pays also through the PayPal. So that's great. Now another one is called GetGrass, so earns by sharing unused internet bandwidth. Phone version was not yet available. Maybe it's going to be there and you can use it too. Also, reward methods are withdrawal not fully also finalized yet, but this is another one. Get rewarded for the internet you don't use, and it's kind of like the wild card. And then also another one is Ember Fund. So this is something that you can also check out for yourself. So click a button once a day to mine Bitcoin in the background, and I got active earning methods like games, contests, surveys, and not one of the highest paying options, but this is something that you can also use. Now the P network is another one, so you can mine it on the phone. So you're gonna click a button once a day to mine Bitcoin on your phone, and it's not a Bitcoin. You need to convert P to Bitcoin when it becomes possible, and has been developed for years. And reward withdrawal is not fully available, and it's considered an outsider, a long-term gamble, and very popular, but progress has been slow. So this is also another one for you to check out, and maybe you will like it. So hope this video helped you and provide a little bit of value. What are the best ones? And have a great day and goodbye.